paid app reviewer position 2020, apply now. Mobile and tablet app testers, hiring now. $25, $35 per hour, online/remote position, flexible. We are currently recruiting a new paid app testers to work on the right app reviews. These are remote positions, meaning that as long as you can work the required hours you can work from home. The businesses that use our platform are all trying to expand the reach of their apps across all platforms and devices. Roles: you will be required to download apps to your smartphone or tablet and test out all features of the app. Requirements: you need to have access to at least one of the following: iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone, Android tablet. Contract length: no fixed term. Rate: $25, $35 per hour, depending on the complexity of the app and detail required for the review. Skills/background needed: must have access to a smartphone or tablet and know how to install and use apps. Be able to work independently. Ability to closely follow provided steps and instructions. 5+ hours availability per week. Reliable internet connection. Hours per week, flexible. Location: remote work online, preferred. We are currently expanding the number of remote workers for these positions significantly. If you can start right away, please apply below. Please subscribe to our channel to learn more.